finally now I'm talking. Wait, I have a microphone and stuff. No, but I don't need it. It's just me getting ready. Yeah, it's just me getting ready. I don't know what time it is, but we are supposed to leave for the airport at what time? I look so crazy. And like the driver said, +9, so I don't know what time is +9. So I'm just gonna quickly like freshen up my face. I've already taken a shower and everything, so I'm just gonna try to do my face so that it doesn't look crusty. And this t-shirt as well. And then I don't know if this outfit is the one, you know, but I'm just going to the airport and we're going to just drop off my friends. So I'm sure, and then I'll just carry a hoodie. Yeah, this outfit looks fine to me. I'll need to iron the t-shirts real quick, and then yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever I'm trying to do here is working. Oh no, it's okay. I need to choose. Because no, I'm not having this anymore. I need my right earring. I know which bag I'm going to carry. I don't even need to carry a bag, but just for vibes, Yeah, and then I do this. This is my this is my typical airport look. I swear, I'm not even the one traveling, but like, this is something I always wear. Some just tights, t-shirts, and then like a hoodie or sweater in case it gets like super cold. And then I'm gonna take the bag. It's dark in here, it's darker. Oh my god, I found the earring. Okay, Jordan is outside. Morning! Bye and bye. I'm coming back. Okay. Oh my god, how are you guys doing? I am good. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Oh, thank you. Anena, what's your name? Elia. Leah. Ooh, nice. Wow, happy Sunday.
And I'm Jonan.
Oh, sorry, do I know you? Nice to meet you. I'm good. Thank you for giving me something to wake up to, because I've been on leave, but I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything.
You got my number now, so you can message and find out what am I doing or where am I going.
True, yeah. Because sometimes I just want to do things, but I don't have friends.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know this number. Who is this?
Oh.
That's why I was confused. Where must I pick you up?
I was like, because I wasn't sure that you stay in Hot Bay. I was like, what if you stay outside of Hot Bay and I have to come to you first or something?
I love that one.
Oh, that's great.
I love it. So you're gonna go pick up the noisy girls.
Ah, that's so naughty. Those ones. I. surprise! Where are the girls? No, it's sad. No. Yeah! Oh, I smell like cigarettes. I smoke cigarettes with children. Yeah. See. Oh. Oh, yeah! Yeah, let's get it and then we'll go to Germany. So I was really
This one. Yes. It's so hard.
It is! It's always complicated!
Without the so honey.
Oh, and can you read it for us?
The candle is always good. Girl with a candle.
This is so true. I'm gonna light it up tonight. Oh, that sounds wrong.
And maybe a little, but
I'm gonna light it up.
see how you're gonna
Thank
use
you
this.
so much, guys. Guys, like, I want you guys to leave. We hit your passports, right? Hey, let's do this. Okay. Starships. Okay, so we are back from the airport to say bye to my friends. It was so sad. It was really sad. But they got me a late birthday present. Let me go to show you guys. A card. So cute. And then they got me this, and it reads, your dating status is always, it's complicated. And that is so true. Like, I'm barely in like a relationship or something. It's just always complicated. So let's open. This is so cute. And it's like, never been able to see. I just like did my bathroom and stuff. So this is the candle. Is it so cute? Smells like cherry. Oh my god, it's really cute. I can't wait to. Ooh. Oh, guys, my friend's so amazing. It is extremely cutesy. And then got a card. Bitch, you're the sweetest. Like, this is just my language. So it says, oh, so cute. So cute. So it says, dear Anele, we are so grateful to have met you. We wish you the best and so much love. The gossip sessions, my tummy is so big and I have to go to the beach. Sorry. The gossip sessions were the most exciting since a long time. Yeah, we made it a thing every day. Thank you for being so lovely and welcoming. Girl, we'll miss you. Hopefully we'll see you again. We love you, from Paula and Matilda. This is cute. Oh, it smells great. Said I must scratch here. Smells good. So yeah, and then now, because it's just me and Lily left now, so we've decided to go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Nedbank Cutlass. Ah! Oh my god, where am I supposed to find a Nedbank ATM? Someone just sent me my. Okay, maybe I can get it from the shops. I don't know, I need to find a way for this hat to like fit me properly. Like I saw the reviews though, really. Like I saw the reviews online, people saying the hat is like a little bit, I don't know, small, you know? But I'll make it work. I don't know if I should take it to the beach with me, but it would be cool. And then, what else? I'm gonna go to the shops now. Is there a net bank? I haven't seen a net bank around here. So I'm gonna go to the shops now to get some snacks. Something to eat as well, because there's no way, I haven't had breakfast, so I'm probably gonna get a smoothie or like some nuggets and fries, or like wings and fries. So I'm going to do that. I need to go to the shops, and then I don't know which swimsuit I should wear. I'm thinking I should wear the black one because I have this black see-through thing that I can put over on top. I don't even have a beach bag. I ordered it on Shein. It hasn't arrived. It's as per usual. Let's see where we can put. Lapho I'm late, but since I'm not. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. I don't know if the sun hat is gonna work, but yeah. Wait, they don't love you. Like, have you seen that? Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Oh, my head still has some sand.
It's so
Yeah, it is very hot. I was like, I put the swimsuit underneath.
Yeah.
Same. Yeah, and then I just
did.
put this on and
Yes.
the skirts because I didn't want something that would.
Oh.
I'm gonna leave this hat if it's going to.
Maybe
Not
the
me.
wind is less. over
Yeah.
there.
Not me threatening the hat. Oh, I have sunglasses too. Hey, beautiful people, we're back in the house. Back to this famous bathroom. We're back. Oh, I'm so sandy. My lips are salty. They are salty AF, okay? Okay, so guys, we're back at the house now. We're back at the house, back. If you have watched up until this far, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe if you're not subscribed, which is such a shocker because why are you not subscribed? You know? And then what else are you supposed to do? Like, comment, share, and yeah, I will see you guys. Let me know if you want some more vlogs. Oh, I need to take a shower, child. My underwear. I hope when I was taking some videos earlier on, that underwear was not there. It is sexy though, it's fine. Anyways, let me hide it. Thank you for watching until this far. Bye. See you on the next one.